Good morning, everyone. Today we will do the numericals, right? I'm just writing the statement of the numericals. Try to solve these numericals. The relative atomic mass of boron is 10.8 U. Calculate the percentage of isotopes 5 boron 10 and 5 boron 11 in nature. Calculate this. Solve this numerical. Relative atomic mass, that means the average atomic mass of boron is 10.8 U. Calculate the percentage of isotope 5 boron 10 and 5 boron 11 in nature. Calculate. Hurry up. Do it. Relative atomic mass of boron is 10.8. Hurry up. Let's see. We had given, like in this question, we are having 5 boron 10 and 5 boron 11. That means we don't have the percentage. So what we will do, let the percentage of 5 boron 10 is equal to X or A, you can say. And what is the percentage of 5 boron 11? That is 100 minus X. Is this point clear? Let the percentage, we will assume the percentage of these two things. Now, average atomic mass equal to mass of first isotope multiply by percentage divided by 100, you can write, plus mass of second isotope multiply by, right? Is this clear? Now I am taking average atomic mass is given, that is 10.8, right? First isotope percentage is X, mass is 10. 10 into X divided by 100 plus mass of second isotope 11 into percentage, we has assumed 100 minus X divided by 100. Is this clear? I am writing it here. $10.8 is equal to 10x divided by 100, right? Here you will put the bracket, then plus 1100 minus 11x divided by 100. $10.8, 100 is the LCM, 10x, 1100 minus 11x, 10.8 multiply, this 100 will goes here, 10x minus plus 1100 minus 11x, right? 1080, it will come 1080 decimal. After that 10x minus 11x minus x plus 1100. This 1100 comes over here. 1080 minus 1100 equal to minus x. This comes 20 minus 20 minus minus will cancel. It will become x become 20. This we had considered the x, that comes 20%. This we had considered 100 minus x, that is 100 minus 20, that is 80%. Is this clear? Is this clear, bete? Is it clear how we have to calculate? First we have to assume 5 boron 10, that is x, 5 boron 11, that is 100 minus x. Right? By this we can calculate the percentage of the two isotopes. Okay? Write down the second numerical. Write down calculate the average atomic mass of calculate the average atomic mass of silicon which has 3 isotopes right? Silicon which has 3 isotopes, 28 silicon. I am just writing down the mass number. 28 silicon, 29 silicon, and 30. 28, 29, and 30 with natural abundance of 92.23%, then 4.67%, then 3.10% respectively. Now calculate the average atomic mass of this. Now what we will do in this, average, first of all we will write down the formula. Average atomic mass equal to mass of first isotope multiplied by percentage, that means divided by 100 you can write, plus I am just writing second isotope multiplied by percentage divided by 100, plus third isotope multiplied by percentage divided by 100. Right? Is that clear? Now what we will do, average atomic mass we have to calculate. Mass of the first isotope 28. So what we will write down, 28 multiplied percentage. That is the first percentage is given 92.23 divided by 100 plus mass of second isotope 29. multiply percentage 4.67. Then third isotope 30, multiply percentage 3.10 divided by 100. Now solve this, right? Multiply कीजिए 92.23 into 28. It become 2.44 divided by 100 plus second multiplication. What is that? 4.67 into 29. This will become 133.43 divided by 100 plus 3.10 multiply 30 add all these sums, add these terms, and what it will become? The answer will come, that is 28 point, you can do like this, decimal लगा लो यहाँ पे 25.82, right? Or you can do the first, you can do the calculation at the LCM, then you can do, otherwise you can convert 25.82 plus 1.33 plus 0.93. Now add this one. .28 point something, like 28.13 or 28 point this. So the answer will become 28.11 U. That is the average atomic mass. You can convert this 100 as a decimal, or otherwise you can take the LCM and then add. You can do any of the method. Is that clear? Is there any doubt to anyone? So please ask. Right? Now we will do the third numerical. Write down the third numerical. Magnesium has 3 natural isotopes. Magnesium has 3 natural isotopes. Right? Whose atomic mass and relative atomic mass and relative abundance, abundance means as it occurs in the nature, are respectively respectively 23.98, Percentage is given 78.60, comma. Second is 24.98. 10.11. Third, 25.98. You can see the mass number 23.98, 24.98, 25.98, and the percentage is 11.29. Calculate the average atomic mass. Calculate average atomic mass. Now do this. Calculate average atomic mass. Formula I had written. That is the average atomic mass, mass of first isotope multiply percentage divided by 100. Second isotope multiply percentage. Third isotope multiply percentage. Right? Solve this numerical. So let's solve this numerical. Calculate average atomic mass. Mass of the first isotope, that is 23.98 multiply with 78.60 divided by 100, right? Plus second mass 24.98 multiply 10.11 divided by 100 plus 25.98 multiply 11.29 divided by 100. Yes, who will tell me the multiplication values? Yes, Shivansh, will you please tell me the multiplication value? Unmute yourself.
1884.
Huh?
0.828.
0.828. 100 solve कर दिया?
Ma'am, no, ma'am, divided by 100.
Divided by 100. Okay. Then multiply by this.
252.5478.
252.5478
by 100.
Then third multiplication value
293.3.
293
.3142.
3142 divided by 100. Right? So again,
Yes,
we
ma'am.
can do, thank you so much. So what we can do, we can take the LCM also, right? And after that we can solve it, or firstly we can convert the this 100 as a decimal. Anything you can do. I am writing it here, multiplying this. 184.828. Second is 5478. Piche 252. Then 293.3142. Right? Add this. Right? This will come. That means 2430.6900 divided by 100. 100 इकट्ठा आ गया. Take as LCM. So now what you will do? 2 zeros are there, so decimal will be shift. 24.30 U is the answer. If anyone is having any doubt, then ask. Is that clear? In this statement, I had taken the LCM, then add all the digits. This will become this 2430, then shift the two places, like the 2 zeros are there, shift 24.30 U. that is 24. And you know the magnesium is at the 12 number and it is having the atomic mass that is 12 or 24. So we are right here, right? Hi, hello, listen, BBC, News of France, Nega, Naga, Magistrate, MG at the 12th position. So what is the mass number of magnesium? That is 12 of 24. So most probably our answer is the same. So now in exam, any type of numerical will come, like the average, calculate average atomic mass, calculate the percentage, anything, right? So formula will remain the same. That is average atomic mass equal to mass of first isotope multiplied by percentage divided by 100 plus mass of second isotope multiply percentage divided by 100 and the third and so on. Okay, we have to see what they are giving and what they are asking, and if the word respectively, as it's mentioned, respectively means you have to follow the sequence, right? So numericals will be based on all these things, right beta? Any doubt to anyone, then ask, right? Okay.